Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do videos on luxury handbags, shoes, shopping, and occasionally travel, and a little beauty too. So if those are things that interest you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos or community posts. I often find designer sales, deals, things like that. Right now I have linked the Chanel holiday gift sets in my community tab. So if those are things you're interested in and you don't want to miss them, make sure you subscribe and you click that notification bell. So last week Amazon had their early Prime sale. It was sort of like an early Black Friday sale in October, and I posted a lot of really interesting items that I personally liked that were in the sale, and I did snag something. But before I share that with you, I wanted to share this holiday candle that I got. This is my favorite holiday candle. This was not in the sale, but for a luxury candle, I feel like it is priced really well. If you are looking for something that really captures the scent of the holidays, I cannot recommend this candle more than enough. It has scents of pomegranate, mandarin oranges, pine, cloves, and cinnamon with a hint of vanilla and amber. Also, the packaging of the candle and the glass for the candle itself is absolutely beautiful. If you're looking for a hostess gift this holiday season, this would make a really great one. So now moving on to what I purchased. I don't know if this was technically like part of the actual Prime Day sale itself, but it was on sale during the same days as the rest of the sale items, so I went ahead and bought it. This is a bag that has been mentioned to me a lot. It's not a new bag, but it is a very popular bag. It's one that I didn't really consider before, but once I posted my Chloe Tote review, a lot of people started mentioning this bag to me again. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and give it a purchase, especially because I was able to get it on sale. Now, this is not a true unboxing because unfortunately this bag was delivered to the wrong address, and so I had to do a little bit of hunting to find it. Fortunately, I did, so I wanted to open it and make sure that everything was okay before I did this video, and luckily it was. Now, the bag that I purchased is the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. This is the size small, and the reason I purchased the size was because I wanted to compare it to my Chloe Woody tote as far as capacity and convenience goes. So I will do another video where I compare those two bags if that's something that you're interested in. But I just wanted to, again, get this bag, see what it's all about, because this bag has a really big fan base. Now, like my Chloe Woody tote, I decided to go for the canvas. This color is in the slate green, so it is like an olive army sort of green color, which I felt was perfect for the fall season. And I find that this size is a really great everyday tote, especially if you're looking for something to take into the office or to school. And there's a few ways that you can carry this bag. So first, you have a top handle like so that you can carry with your hands, or you could even fit it through the crook of your arm like this. But it also comes with a really great adjustable canvas crossbody strap that you can easily detach with these lobster claws. Also, excuse my nails, it's been a crazy week. My kitty was at the vet. She's okay, she's home now, but there was a lot of anxiety nail polish peeling going on, and I haven't had time to get them done, much less do them myself, so you're just gonna have to give me a pass for this video. But again, this is a tote. It is made of a canvas leather. They also have some really beautiful leather versions. They are priced higher than the canvas one. So this one goes for $195. I was able to get it on sale for $166, so I saved about $30 there. Now, if you look at the front of the bag, it says the tote bag Marc Jacobs. And then on the back here, we have a little stitched patch that says Marc Jacobs. It says the year the label was founded and where it was founded, and this is something that you'll find on all of the totes. Now, looking at the inside of the bag, you have a zip closure at the top, which I really like. You know, my Chloe Woody tote doesn't have that. A lot of tote bags don't come with a zip closure, and I do appreciate a zip closure because I like the security that it gives. You know, I recently traveled with my Chloe Woody bag, and unfortunately my AirPods fell out of the bag and I lost them. I have no idea where they went, so I had to replace them, which was a huge bummer. But with a bag like this with a nice zip top, you run less of a risk of losing anything precious when you're traveling. Now, on the interior of the bag, you just have one large compartment, and then you have two pockets in the back as well as a large zipper compartment. So if there's anything that you would like to have even more securely stored inside of your bag, you can go ahead and put it in that zipper. Here I've gone and opened it, and inside I have the little Marc Jacobs booklet that comes with all of the bags. Much like most bags, you always get something with like the authenticity or information about the bag, and this is that. Now I find the zipper of the bag very smooth and easy to close, which is always great. It is made out of plastic and the teeth are fairly large, and so is the zipper, so I feel like that is really important for a smooth and easy closure. The canvas is also a very durable canvas. It's a different weave than the Chloe bag. I'll get more into the differences in my next video, but it's definitely a weave that you feel like it's durable and it's going to last. Now, if you look at the branding on the front of the bag, this is screen printed on top. If you are looking for like a travel bag, I would say go with the large size over the small. This does come in 3 different sizes. You have the mini, you have the small, like the one that I have, and you have the large. Now, going into the capacity of the bag, this bag, like I said, is very roomy. It's going to fit all of your daily essentials. It fits a 13-inch laptop inside quite easily. It's not a snug fit. You don't have to wiggle it around or anything like that, so it goes in perfectly. If you're using this bag for work or for school, you'll be able to fit your laptop, maybe some notebooks, a planner, no issue, water bottle, of course, all of the small essentials like your car keys, your wallet, all of that will fit perfectly. And I like the canvas because it is a lightweight bag, so when you're carrying your laptop, I feel like that's really important. Sometimes with like a leather tote bag, it gets a little too heavy. Now, the fact that you can carry it handheld or with a crossbody strap is great. I wish you could carry it as a shoulder bag. I know with the large size you can, but with the small size, it's just those 2 ways of carrying the bag. So that is something to be aware of if you are trying to decide between the small or the large. Really take into account how it is that you prefer to carry your bag. So to give you guys a close-up of the color, this is a true olive green color. When I was looking at this bag on Amazon, the picture looked a little bit beige to me, a little bit gray, so I wasn't entirely sure how this color was going to turn out. But honestly, I feel like it's the perfect olive green color, and it's a really great neutral for the fall autumn season. It will match perfectly with anything black, beige, camel, white. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. I normally am somebody that doesn't really like huge branding on a bag, so let me know what you guys think of the branding on this one, and let me know if this is a bag you own or if it's one you've considered purchasing in the past. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, I tend to share a lot of designer sales and deals that I find on my community posts, so make sure you guys are checking that tab as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!